The Wild Goose Hide has been the hub of the Wild Goose Festival, where people can come to learn about the geese and get creative and interactive. We've had loads of craft sessions on for the kids and the adults. We've had a really good steady flow of people coming through and people staying for well over an hour, getting stuck into something either creative or being completely immersed in what the partners have been saying. It's a way to get kids interested and immersed in nature and to celebrate something that is special and local to our area. It's a little hidden gem that a lot of people don't know about Galloway, and when you tell them that, they suddenly go, "Ooh, really excited to know that there is something special happening on their doorstep, they just haven't learnt it yet."
Every year you just get more and more in love with the geese. It's really nice to hear everybody having a link to the geese, and even if it's people that say, "Oh, they fly over my house," and I really love hearing them, it always signifies winter. It's been really nice to just see people so interested and learn a lot about the geese.